is for above average precipitation. Precipitation normally expected during this period is around 0.25 inches. Also, cooler than average temperatures are expected during this period. The average high temperatures are in the upper teens to lower 20s, while average lows are in the lower single digits. At 1 p.m. at Fargo's Hector Field, blowing snow was reported, reducing the visibility to 1/4 of a mile. The temperature was 2 degrees, the dew point -3, with a relative humidity of 80%. The wind was north at 33 miles an hour, gusting to 44, producing a wind chill of -24. The pressure was 30.00 inches and rising. At the Moorhead Airport, snow was falling, reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile. The temperature was 1 degree.